أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is our page number 16, and in this page, as we have previously learned how to prolong a letter, and for that we learned 7 things. Sign, 3 were letters, and there was another sign. With the help of that sign you can prolong a letter. Okay, so still we are learning that how to prolong a letter. Now the first letter, that is min. In this first box, a is longer because this a is followed by another letter, and this is alif silent. So because of that alif we made it longer. Min. Moving to next box, there is azabun. Azabun. We are prolonging the because of alif again. And the next is ato'an. We prolonged to because of 2 reasons. One reason is because this to is followed by this alif silent, and the second reason is there is a long sign. This is called mad, long mad over alif. That's why it would be longer. Ato'an, and same rule will be applicable here. This would be ghusa'an. Tha would be longer because of 2 reasons, as I have explained those 2 reasons, alif and long sign. Next is kitaban. Sometime we replace alif, like this alif, we replace this alif with standing fatha. So this ta is prolonged because of standing fatha. Kitaban. Next is kiraman. Here ra is longer because of alif. Or you can replace this alif with standing fatha by writing standing fatha over here. So when standing fatha comes here, this alif will be finished and this fatha will also be finished. Okay, so that would be kiraman. But here what we can see here is alif and this fatha. That's why that would also be longer. Libasan. And next is lisanan. Next is ma'aban. So here alif and standing fatha both are here, because this standing fatha basically is for alif, not for meme. If we supposed to make meme prolonged, then you can say that then there would be only one sign, whether standing fatha or alif. But our main focus in this page or in this box is prolonging alif. That's why standing fatha is here. Ma'aban. And the next is mata'an. Next is mutu'in. And next is ma'ashan. Fourth line, first box is mafazan. Fa is longer because of same alif. Next is mihadan. Here ha is longer because of standing fatha. Next is nabatan, and the last letter of this line, this row, is vifaqan. next page, next line in fact. Now we are practicing about another letter which cause a letter prolong. So here we are actually practicing when when wow silent comes after a letter, then what will happen? So there should be wow silent, and the letter which would be before wow, it must has dhamma. Like the example is here, you can see ba has dhamma, and this ba is followed by wow madda, wow silent. That's why ba would be longer. Thuburan. Another box, rasulen. A question can be asked, can be arised, that why we made su longer, why su is prolonged. There is a reason, because su or seen letter is seen. This seen letter has dhamma, and this is followed by wow. Wow is also silent. Don't be confused. This is sakin sign, or you can say connecting sign, connecting of two letters. So this is not dhamma. You can easily, clearly see here there is a difference between dhamma and silent sign or connecting sign. That's why we made it longer. Rasulin. Next is shuhudun. Who is longer because of wow silent. Shuhudun. Next is qu'udun, and this one is wujuhun. From next box onward, we will practice ja silent. And remember, as we have learned, that if ja silent is there, then that letter would be prolonged. You have to make it longer, but there is a condition that if there is ja silent, it must be with kasra. I mean the letter which will be before ja silent. This is ja, and before it is tha. So tha has kasra. That's why this tha would be longer. In upcoming words, it would be more clear. How to read it? Thimin. Why thi is longer? Because this thi is followed by ja, ja silent. In other words, in Arabic term, we called it ja madda, athimin. Next, same rule, alimin. Li is longer because of ja silent. Alimin. Next, baswiran. Swi is longer because of this ja. Baswiran. And next is khabiran. Rahiqin. Shahidun. Azimin. So on same pattern, you can practice this page. Okay, just up to here, second to last line. Up to here, all the letters will be prolonged. Why? Because there is ja silent. But from here onward, I means next four word, this one, and three letters in last line, you can see there is also ja silent. But because of this ja silent, letter wouldn't be prolong. Letter will not be prolonged. Why? Because we learned a condition for ya silent, and that was that there should be kasra before ya silent. There should be kasra before ya silent. So this is ya silent, but before it there is no kasra. Before this ya silent there is waw. This waw does not have kasra. In fact, it has fatha. That's why it won't be longer. It will be shorter. How to read? Ru vai, not v. If there is kasra, then you can say ru v. Then it was longer, but here is fatha, so sound is different. That's why it wouldn't be prolonged. Ruvaidan. Same rule is applicable in this box. Tu ray shin. Quraishin. Quraishin. And next is Aishatin. Here, ja is longer, ja is silent, and before ya there is kasra. There is ain and it has kasra. This would be longer. Aishatin. And next last letter is al maudatu. In this last box, only one letter is prolonged, that is hamza, because it has standing dhamma or upside down dhamma. You can ask the question that there is waw silent as well. Why this letter is not longer? Answer of this question is the same condition which we learned about ja, that if there is ja silent, it must be kasra before that ja silent. Same rule or same condition is for waw. If there is waw silent, so there must be dhamma before that waw silent. And here is no dhamma, here is fatha. Meme is before waw silent, but meme has fatha, not dhamma. That's why this me is not longer. So al maudatu. Here we will wind up our lecture, today's lecture, and inshallah we'll see you in next lecture tomorrow. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.